How to access and use Facebook Lead Center in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can access and use Facebook Lead Center in Meta Business Suite. What you first need to do is to open your Meta Business Suite account, and then after opening it, move to the left side of the screen. Then in the sidebar, scroll down and click on Insights. This is because your Facebook leads, the number of Facebook leads you have can only be measured by making use of your Meta Business Suite Insight. So this section contains key information about your audience, demographics, and content performance. So once you're on the page, you can see you can decide to take a look at your new weekly plan, or you can just click on dismiss. And then on this page, you can see your overview, your results thus far. You can see your performance, you can see your content interactions, the number of followers you had, and the number of link clicks you have. So by making use of this, for example, if you had enough leads but through the link clicks, you can just click on it here. After clicking on it, you will see a graph showcasing how the link clicks worked out, and then you can monitor it through this way. Then to use it, you can just go to the you can just select it and check out the cumulative and daily, and then you could take a screenshot and then use it for wherever you desire to use it for. All right, and also on this insights page, you will see your advertisements, the number of reach you got within the particular days that you've chosen, and then you also see the number of messaging conversation that started, and then new contacts that you also had by running your ads on Facebook. And to check more, move to the left side of the screen and then click on results. Now, by clicking on results, you brought to your results page that will showcase your Facebook reach with your ads. All right. By monitoring this Facebook reach, you'll be able to know how many leads you got, and how effective your Facebook ad was. The same thing applies to your Facebook visits, follows, your ad trends. Yes, ensure you check out these ad trends, the paid impressions as well, and all of that, so that you can know how far or how well your ad was. And then to change the dates, maybe the time range being displayed is not what you want, you can just go to the top right corner, click on the um calendar there, and then select a new time range. All right, you can just decide to select last 30 days, last 90 days, or this week, or whatever, in order to check how far you've gone within the past days. So that is it. Next, this is how you can access and use your Facebook leads in Meta Business Suite. Thanks for watching and have a good day.